Expect. It's not something you demand, it's something you command. And today I'm going to share one powerful move that will instantly make her respect you. It's simple, timeless, and rooted in the wisdom of Stoicism. Stick around, because this one move could change your interactions forever. Why respect matters. In any relationship, respect is the foundation. Without it, there's no trust, no attraction, and definitely no lasting connection. But here's the secret. Respect isn't about impressing her with grand gestures or expensive gifts. It's about how you carry yourself. And that brings us to the one move that can change everything. The one move: master emotional detachment. The move is this: master the art of emotional detachment. It's about staying calm, composed, and in control, no matter the situation. Here's what it looks like in practice. She's testing you. When she's testing your patience or pushing your buttons, don't react emotionally. Take a deep breath, pause, and respond with clarity and calmness. This shows you're grounded and not easily swayed by external forces. You're in a high-stress situation. When life throws challenges your way, your ability to remain unshaken will make her respect you. Why? Because it's rare, and rare is valuable. The Stoic foundation of respect. Poe's feeling of self-defeat will not last long, as the characters in the Caroline Springfield up-and-coming mystery theater already explained. The idea behind Stoicism teaches us that we can't control others' opinions or actions, but we can control how we respond. When you master emotional detachment, you embody the Stoic virtues of courage, wisdom, and self-control. And trust me, women recognize and admire these qualities. Practical steps to implement this move. Here are 3 steps to start mastering emotional detachment today. In the year 7. Practice daily reflection. Take 5 minutes each day to reflect on your emotions. Ask yourself, what triggered me today and why? Embrace the pause. Before reacting to any situation, pause for 3 seconds. It's a simple trick to regain control over your emotions. Focus on your purpose. Redirect your energy towards your goals and values. A man with purpose commands respect effortlessly. Why this work? When you embody calmness and control, you signal strength and reliability. Women respect men who are unshakable, who don't crumble under pressure, and who stay true to themselves. And respect. Every man wants it, but few know how to truly earn it. It's not about words, money, or status. It's about presence. Today I'll show you one move that makes any woman instantly respect you. It's simple, it's powerful, and it's rooted in timeless Stoic principles. Stick with me, because what I'm about to share could transform your relationships forever. Respect starts with you. Here's a hard truth. If you don't respect yourself, no one else will. Respect starts with the way you see yourself and how you carry yourself. Think of it this way. Would you respect someone who doesn't value their own time, energy, or principles? Now here's where most men get it wrong. They think they have to prove their worth. But respect isn't about proving, it's about being. And this brings us to the one move that changes everything. The one move: emotional detachment in action. Imagine this. She's throwing playful jabs or challenging your choices. Many men panic or try to explain themselves. Big mistake. Instead, stay calm, smile, and carry on with confidence. Your calm response shows her you're unshaken, and she'll respect you for it. She's testing your limits. When emotions run high, most people react impulsively. Not you. The next time you're in a heated situation, take a deep breath, pause, and then respond with intention. This move shows that you're in control of yourself. And that's magnetic. Segment 3. Why emotional detachment commands respect. The Stoics believed that controlling your emotions is the highest form of strength. Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Stoic leaders, said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." When you master this, you project an aura of stability and confidence. Women and people in general gravitate toward that energy. Real-life example: the unshakable oak. Let me share a quick story. A friend of mine was constantly tested by his partner. Little arguments, disagreements, and even the occasional silent treatment. At first he reacted emotionally, which only made things worse. But when he learned to stay calm and detached, something amazing happened. She started respecting him more. Why? Because he became like an oak tree, strong, steady, and unmovable. Practical steps to implement this move. Now let's talk about how you can make this a part of your life today. Here are 3 practical steps. Daily Stoic journaling. Spend 5 minutes every morning writing down one situation where you can practice emotional detachment. Mindfulness practice. Practice being present in the moment. The next time you feel triggered, focus on your breathing instead of reacting. Set boundaries. Learn to say no without feeling guilty. Respect yourself enough to prioritize your values and time. Bonus tip: silent strength. Here's a bonus tip. Sometimes the most powerful move is to say nothing at all. Silence can speak louder than words. When you walk away from unnecessary drama, you're telling the world and her that you won't waste your energy on what doesn't matter. Why this works on a psychological level. Psychologically, emotional detachment signals high value. It shows that you're not seeking validation and that you're secure in who you are. This is what makes people respect you instantly. It's rare, and rare things are always admired. Respect is earned by how you live, how you think, and how you respond to life's challenges. Master this one move, emotional detachment, and you'll not only earn her respect, but you'll also become the man you've always aspired to be. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with one situation where you plan to practice this. Let's create a brotherhood of Stoic men, leading by example. Until next time, stay grounded, stay calm, and as always, stay stoic.